Good day. Here's the most recent news for today. With the rising threat of COVID-19 pandemic, the province of Misamis Oriental took initiative in the allocation of vaccines through the prioritization framework. Let us have Jayo Denke for more details.
Yes, Queen, the province of Misamis Oriental had its series of vaccination for frontline health workers, both for Level 3 COVID referral hospitals and infirmaries catering COVID-positive patients for the past 2 weeks. Expectedly, the third batch will be allocated for TTMF or Temporary Treatment and Monitoring Facility, under which are the RHUs or Regional Health Units with quarantine facilities are designated. Included in these are doctors, nurses, and midwives at health centers in the municipalities of Misamis Oriental. In addition, the vitality of these groupings is called prioritization framework, so that everyone will be catered and so everything will be in the right place and order. Because of these, all of the frontline health workers have already been vaccinated. Governor Bambi Imano and the Provincial Interagency Task Force, or IATF, are hoping for the very best that this would be faster to widen the scope. Accordingly, they are confident that it is safe and effective. This is Jayo Denke, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Queen.
Thanks, Gio. In another story, Provincial IATF head Dr. Jerry Kalingasan gave his update about the successful vaccination of frontline health workers in all Misamis Oriental provincial hospitals, including several private hospitals in the province, with a total of 1,802 individuals vaccinated from a target of 1,944 vaccines. Jane Salimbao will tell us more.
Yes, Queen. During the virtual flag raising ceremony held on Monday, March 15, 2021, Provincial IATF Chief Dr. Jerry Kalingasan successfully completed the vaccination of all frontline health workers in all Misamis Oriental provincial hospitals, including the several private hospitals in the province. In all 8 provincial hospitals, 903 frontline health workers were vaccinated from a target of 1,000, equivalent to 93%, while in selected private hospitals, 899 frontline health workers were vaccinated from a target of 944, equivalent to 95.2%. In total, 1,802 frontline health workers were vaccinated from the 1,944 target, or 93%. Dr. Jerry Kalingasan complimented the doctors, nurses, and staffs of all the provincial hospitals for a swift and efficient vaccination activity, further adding that there were numerous instances that the recommended number of vaccines per vial were surpassed. Chief Kalingasan explained that due to Governor Bambi Imano's order to ensure no wastage of vaccines combined with the expertise of all hospital personnel, the vaccines were maximized and there are times that 12 vaccines were accommodated per vial, surpassing the 10 vaccines per vial estimated by the Department of Health. With the successful vaccination of frontline health workers, Provincial IATF Chief Dr. Jerry Kalingasan and Governor Bambi Imano hopes that once additional vaccines arrive in the province, the vaccination campaign will be hastened and further expanded in accordance with the prepared plans of the Provincial IATF to finally free Misamis Oriental of the pandemic. This is Jane Salimbao, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Queen?
Thanks, Jane. And that is the latest news for today. For more details, please visit the Misamis Oriental Provincial Information Facebook page. Once again, I am Queen Exclamador. Good day.